A pleasant day to everyone. I am Ronalo A. Estayani from Bised English 4B, and I will be reporting expository writing, speech writing, and blog writing. The main objectives of our lesson are, at the end of the lesson, the students are expected to first, define what is expository writing, speech writing, and blog writing. Second, specify the different types of expository writing, speech writing, and blog writing. And last, construct a blog, speech, and expository writing. But before we proceed on our lesson, let us know what is writing. Writing is a form of human communication by means of a set of visible marks that are related by convention to some particular structural level of language. Writing is the process of using symbols, letters of the alphabet, punctuation, and spaces to communicate thoughts and ideas in a readable form, and it is a medium of human communication that involves the representation of a language with symbols. Expository writing is to present information to the reader while also sharing concepts and ideas that are backed up by facts and evidence. One of the best way to think about expository writing is neutral journalist writing on a particular topic that has multiple points of view. If the journalist presents all the information and evidence in a neutral way without picking a side, then they have written an expository piece. There are types of expository writing. First is the descriptive or the definition. When a writer chooses to create a descriptive expository essay, they are deciding to present all the information possible on a given topic. That information can include background, facts, historical information, and etc. The second one is the sequential. A sequential expository essay presents a topic or process in sequential order. When a writer chooses this type of expository writing, they are usually exploring a process like steps to manufacturing or direction to build something. Sometimes it can be used to describe a sequence of events on a timeline. Third is the comparative rather. Writers will use the comparative expository essay when the goal is to compare two topics to each other. When writing a comparative essay, it's important to stick to just the two topics and not add in additional comparisons. The best way to think about writing a comparative essay is to start with the topics on a Venn diagram. Fourth is the cause and effect. The writer focuses on the causes of something or the effects that something has or might have. A cause and effect essay is an expository essay that explains the relationship between specific conditions and their consequences, often within the context of a big picture issue. These conditions are known as causes, and their consequences are known as the effects. Fifth is the problem and solution. The writing explains a problem and gives possible solutions to it. It is similar to persuasive essay in that the writer is attempting to convince the reader of the seriousness of the problem and the effectiveness of the solution in every problem. Last type of expository writing is classification. The writer puts information into groups and subgroups that support the main topic. A classification essay is a formal piece of writing used to evaluate your categorizing and generalization skills. It mainly aims to arrange various subjects and objects with similar characteristics. Next is the speech writing. What is a speech first? A speech is a formal address delivered to an audience. It always has a purpose. It aims to convey the purpose with logical, connected ideas. Speech writing is a method of telling a thought or message to a reader using correct punctuation and expressions. While writing a speech, in writing a speech, we should concentrate on the three C's. Your speech should be clear, concise, and consistent. Clear meaning the speech should be simple and easy to understand. While concise, it should not be too long. Generally, the word limit is 150 to 200 words, but it may vary. Third is the consistent. The speech should be logically in order. That is consistent. Speech writing contains two main parts, the title and the content. The title, if you were give a good title to a topic while writing a speech, while the content, in content, it is divided into three subparts: the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. First is the informative speech. If the speech purpose is to define, explain, describe, or demonstrate, it is an informative speech. Persuasive speeches are given to reinforce people's beliefs about a topic. You are persuading them to change their beliefs about a topic or to move them to act. Third is the entertaining speech, from the word entertainment. The purpose of entertaining speech writing is to entertain a crowd of people. Fourth is special occasion speech. It is from the word occasion, it is occasionally speech. It is which you give on specific occasions. This kind of speech doesn't fall into a particular category and doesn't follow a format. Fifth is the oratorical speech. An oratorical speech is refer to a specific type of speech. Generally, it is more formal than the other types of speeches. Next is the blog writing. What is a blog? A blog, short for web blog, is an online journal or informational website run by an individual, group, or corporation that offers regularly updated content, which is the blog post, about a topic. It represents information in reverse chronological order, and it's written in a informal or conversational style. There are types of blog writing. First is the personal blog. This type of blog usually works like an online diary where the blogger shares opinions, often not aiming to reach a target audience or sell an item. Personal blogs can discuss various subjects from family events and self-reflection to work projects. Second is niche blog. It is spelled NICHE. It provides information on a particular topic, usually related to the blogger's passions, skills, and knowledge. Examples of this blog include book blogs, food blogs, and lifestyle blogs. Third is the multimedia blog. It uses a blog format but publishes multimedia content like videos and podcasts instead of written posts. It also usually includes the video or podcast summary, table of contents, and essential quotes. Fourth is the news blog. Content on this blog focuses on the latest happenings and new releases in a specific industry. Unlike other blogs, news blogs typically do not usually include opinions or the personal content. Fifth is the company or business blog. Its primary purpose is publishing content relevant to a company's industry or updating the target market regarding any changes within its business. It may be a section on a company website or an independent site. For the conclusion of my topic, in conclusion, expository writing, speech writing, and blog writing, while distinct in their purposes and delivery, share a common thread of clarity and engagement. Expository writing aims to inform and explain using logical structure and evidence to illuminate complex topics. Speech writing, on the other hand, focuses on captivating an audience through persuasive language, vivid imagery, and a compelling narrative. Blog writing is a versatile form, blends elements of both, offering insights, opinions, and personal experiences in a conversational and accessible style, which is the online journal. Whether aiming to educate, inspire, or simply connect, these forms of writing play a crucial role in shaping our understanding of the world and fostering meaningful communication.